What makes a given type of cell, say a nerve cell, and not something different like a muscle cell, given that almost every single cell in your body has the same exact DNA? This is possible due to a process called gene expression, the topic of this lecture. So let's start with the structure of a cell. We have the nucleus sitting in the cytoplasm, and it's all surrounded by a plasma membrane. The DNA sits inside of that nucleus. And think of the DNA as a very large book that tells the cell what to do. But instead of the book being written on pages, it's written on a very long string that gets wrapped tightly around proteins in the nucleus called histones. The key is that a given cell will never read this entire book of DNA. It will just select a certain chapter that's needed, what we call a gene. But how does a given cell know when to express what gene? The cell actually will receive a signal from outside of the cell that comes in to release that segment or chapter of DNA from the histone protein so it can be read. And when I say read, I mean that the underlying DNA sequence will be used to produce a protein from that sequence. By doing this many times over and over, the cell is able to produce enough proteins that will function and eventually allow the cell to become, for example, a nerve cell.